Hello, hello, hello. Got the mill running, finally. Brilliant. So now I'm gonna do a restoration now. I'm really just gonna paint the vise. It's really disgusting. It's the vise and yeah. It's really heavy actually, this crap. Alright, it's all in bits now, so we may as well degrease it because it's disgusting and start painting. Quick one. I discovered that it seems to be a lovely brand, Horror. Under that crap it had some lovely oiling ports, so we need to tape up these machine parts so we know they're straight when we put it in the vise. Hope they don't rust. And the same over there. Bit of tape and start paint. So yeah, we're not aiming for perfection here, just not throwing up every time I bloody touch that thing. Paint! Just going to be sticking some of this blue in because we can't be having a white vise because that would be horrible. Yeah, disgusting. There's some horrible birds that have been bashed into this, so I'm going to try and file them out. Done. So it's all laid up beautifully. So we can start putting it back on the bloody mill. And making it revolting again. Because it won't last very long like that, pretty, but that's a good thing for me. So let's put it back on the table.
Finally, I'm a beautiful butterfly! My wings! Oh, they're beautiful!
Let's have a go at machining this really precise bearing block. Lovely.
Skitty cat cat! Boom!